everyone, welcome back to Listen Learn Speak English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Henry.
Quick question for everyone watching. If someone asked you right now, tell me about yourself, could you answer confidently in English?
For many English learners, this question sounds easy.
But when they actually try to answer it, they suddenly feel stuck.
They start wondering, what should I say first? How long should I speak? Is my English correct?
If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place.
The good news is that introducing yourself doesn't have to be complicated.
In today's episode, we'll show you a simple structure you can follow.
Step by step.
So you can introduce yourself naturally and confidently in English.
And if you'd like to improve your English with us, don't forget to subscribe to LLS English and turn on notifications.
That way, you won't miss any future episodes.
Let's get started.
Alright Henry, let's start with the basics. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Henry Walker.
Nice to meet you, Henry.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
You don't look 25.
Should I take that as a compliment?
Absolutely.
Then thank you. What about you?
My name is Emma Reed. I'm 23 years old.
Nice.
Here's a useful tip. When introducing yourself, start with your name.
You can say, my name is Henry. I'm Henry. Hi, I'm Henry.
All three sound natural and are commonly used in everyday English.
Then you can add your age if it's appropriate for the situation.
Once you've introduced yourself, people will often want to know a little more about you.
One of the most common questions is where you're from. So Emma, where are you from?
I'm from New York in the United States.
I've always wanted to visit New York.
It's exciting, busy, and full of energy.
Sounds exactly how I imagined it.
What about you?
I'm from Toronto, Canada.
I've heard it's a beautiful city.
It is. It's clean, friendly, and a great place to live.
That sounds wonderful.
You should visit someday.
Here's a useful tip. You can talk about where you're from by saying, I'm from, or I live in, or I grew up in.
These are all common and natural expressions. After talking about where you're from, people often ask about your work or studies.
That's right. What do you do for work, Henry?
I'm a freelance video editor.
That's cool.
I mostly edit YouTube videos, travel videos, and commercials.
How did you get into video editing?
It started as a hobby in high school and eventually became my career.
That's awesome.
What about you?
I'm a fashion designer.
Did you always want to work in fashion?
Pretty much. I've loved fashion and design since I was a kid.
That definitely suits you.
Here's a useful tip. When talking about your job, you can say, I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I work as a designer. I work in marketing.
Keep it short and simple.
Another topic people often talk about when getting to know each other is family.
That's true. Emma, tell me a little about your family.
I live with my mom and younger brother in New York.
That sounds nice.
It is. We enjoy spending time together.
Do you often have family dinners?
Yes, whenever everyone's schedule allows it.
That's great.
What about your family?
I live with my parents and younger sister.
What do you usually do together?
We enjoy watching movies and going out on weekends.
Sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, I always enjoy spending time with them.
Here's a useful tip. When talking about family, keep it simple.
Mention who is in your family and maybe one or two details. And speaking of family, many people also consider their pets part of the family.
Good point. Henry, do you have any pets?
Yeah. I have a golden retriever named Max.
Ah. Golden retrievers are always friendly.
He's basically my best friend.
That's adorable.
What about you?
I have a cat named Luna.
Let me guess. She thinks she owns the house.
Absolutely.
Sounds like a cat.
Now let's move on to another topic that people love talking about.
Food. Emma, what's your favorite food?
Definitely sushi.
That was a quick answer.
Well, I really love sushi. What about you?
I'd say pizza.
Good choice.
It's one of those foods I never get tired of.
I can understand that.
What's your favorite type of sushi?
Probably salmon rolls.
Nice choice. Food is always a great conversation topic.
And so is music. What kind of music do you listen to, Henry?
Mostly pop and indie music.
Nice.
What about you?
I listen to a lot of R&B and pop music.
Do you sing?
Only when nobody's around.
Haha. Probably a wise decision.
Wow. Thanks for the support.
Here's a useful tip. Food and music are great small talk topics.
They're easy ways to start conversations and find common interests. And if you're talking about interests, movies are another popular topic.
Definitely. Are you into movies, Emma?
For sure.
What's your favorite type?
Romantic comedies.
That doesn't surprise me at all, Emma.
What about you?
Action movies and documentaries.
That sounds exactly like you, Henry.
Movies tell us a lot about a person.
And hobbies do too. Henry, what do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy photography, basketball, and filming random moments around the city.
That's actually pretty creative.
I enjoy it. What about you?
I love shopping, sketching fashion ideas, and traveling.
What's your favorite place you've visited?
Probably Paris.
Haha. Fashion designer answer confirmed.
Here's a useful tip. When talking about hobbies, use simple phrases like I enjoy, I like, I love. In my free time, I.
These expressions are easy to use and sound very natural.
We've talked about the present.
Now let's talk about the future. What's one goal you have for the future?
I'd love to start my own fashion brand someday.
That's a great goal.
What about you?
I'd love to work on a documentary project one day.
I can definitely see that happening. Here's a useful tip. When talking about future goals, try phrases like I want to, I'd like to, I'd love to.
These expressions are natural, polite, and very common.
Goals are important. But there's one more thing people often mention when introducing themselves.
Their personality.
Exactly. People often want to know what kind of person you are, not just where you're from or what you do.
So Emma, how would you describe yourself?
I'd say I'm creative, outgoing, and hardworking.
I think that's pretty accurate.
Thanks. What about you?
I describe myself as calm, friendly, and easygoing.
I can definitely see that.
Hopefully that's a good thing.
It definitely is.
I think personality is one of the most interesting parts of introducing yourself.
I agree. It helps people get to know you a little better.
Here's a useful tip. You can describe yourself using simple adjectives such as friendly, outgoing, shy, creative, hardworking, funny, patient, confident.
Choose words that genuinely describe your personality.
And don't worry about using complicated vocabulary. Simple words are often the most effective.
All right, Henry, before we finish, let's do one final role play.
Great idea. Let's imagine we're meeting for the first time.
Sounds good. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Emma Reed.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. I'm Henry Walker.
Where are you from, Henry?
I'm from Toronto, Canada. What about you?
I'm from New York in the United States.
That sounds great. What do you do?
I'm a fashion designer. I've always enjoyed fashion and design. What about you?
I'm a freelance video editor. I work on YouTube videos and other creative projects.
That sounds interesting. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes. I enjoy photography, basketball, and making videos. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy shopping, traveling, and sketching fashion ideas.
That sounds fun. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. What about you?
I have a golden retriever named Max.
What's your favorite food?
Definitely pizza. I never get tired of it. How about you?
I'd say sushi.
Good choice. What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly R&B and pop music. What about you?
I listen to pop and indie music.
I like those genres too.
That's great. What would you say is one of your goals for the future?
I'd love to start my own fashion brand someday. What about you?
I'd love to work on a documentary project one day.
That's a great goal.
Thanks. And how would you describe yourself?
I'd say I'm creative, outgoing, and ambitious. What about you?
I'd say I'm calm, friendly, and easygoing.
It was great meeting you, Henry.
It was great meeting you too, Emma. Notice how we used simple questions and simple answers throughout the conversation.
That's the secret to sounding natural.
You don't need complicated vocabulary.
Just focus on speaking clearly and confidently.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
See? Introducing yourself in English doesn't have to be difficult.
Just keep your answers simple, clear, and natural.
Start with the basics, then share a few details about yourself.
The best introduction is one that sounds natural and feels like you.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to LLS English for more real-life English conversations.
And now we'd love to hear from you.
Head down to the comments and introduce yourself in English.
Tell us your name, where you're from, what you do, and one thing you enjoy doing in your free time.
We'll be reading your comments, and we'd love to learn a little about you.
And if you know someone who's learning English, share this video with them too.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you in the next episode.